yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Such a great song. The Carpenters, they did a great version of that. So let's get down to business. So as you can see, this is it. This is what I've been waiting for right here. This is the package. This is the PS1 that I just ordered on eBay, and it actually came so quick in the post. I cannot believe it's actually here. Amazing. So yeah, this is it. This is it right here. So I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing. So I'm excited about this. So just to break it down for you, I got a PS1 online for just a little over 50 quid, 50 euros. So, which was actually a really, really good price, including the postage delivery as well to get here. And I mean, this was the fastest delivery. It came like that. Seriously. I mean, I thought I'd be waiting 2 weeks, and I wasn't even, it was like a week. Just 1 week and maybe 2 days I was waiting. That's all. It's Thursday today. It is November the 14th. And yeah, all good stuff. And I'm just so glad that this package actually came so fast. It came really, really quick. So yeah, so basically what I bought a PS1, and it came with 2 controllers and 19 games included with it. And it's the original classic PlayStation 1, which I ordered. Found it very hard to get the slim version. I wanted to actually get a version of the slim console, but I wasn't able to find one with a good package deal. So I ended up getting this one, which was fantastic. It has, really good games included with it. It's the original console. It comes with 2 memory cards. No, it comes with 1 third-party memory card. So I may have to get another memory card, but it does come with two of the original controllers. So yeah, I guess I can get down to business with this. So we could start the unboxing process right now. So I want to be really careful with this, the way that I actually open it, not to do any damage. So we'll just use our little scissors like that. Take off this masking tape. So I'm not going to be doing a big review on anything here. All I'm going to be doing is unboxing this and putting it on display really quickly, and that will be this video. But I will do another video with console reviews at a later point. But for now, let's just take a look at this. I'm excited. Really stuck on. This is great. It's coming off easily enough, actually. It's just the masking tape. There's quite a bit of masking tape. I've actually got double layers of masking tape, but it is coming off. So just move it up like that. And there's bubble wrap in here actually as well. So guys, this is the first PS1 I've ever owned. I've never actually had a PlayStation 1, so that's why I'm so happy about this. I got the PlayStation 2 when it came out. I got it back at the time, like 2001, 2002. And man, my one is still running today, so I don't know as much about the PS1. I played friends of mine that had the PS1 when I was a kid. But other than that, I'm just thrilled with the speed of this delivery. I don't think I've ever got a parcel at this size that came that quickly. So I'm really happy. I mean, I ordered a laptop in 2017, my HP laptop, which I have now today, that I use for almost everything, and that took, I was waiting weeks for that to come. I mean, oh god. And an expensive delivery as well for that, so to say the least, this was actually a really good deal. So yeah, I think we can. So I have all the packaging off it now. So here's just the box, and I'm going to carefully just get the this sellotape off with my little wee scissors. That's it. Oh my god, here we go. Wow. Look at this. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Can you see that okay? Is it too close? So it looks like everything is in bubble wrap, so I have to be really careful with how I take this out. I'm not actually too sure. Yeah, this is all just in one. Okay, that's a bit easier to see now. There we go. So these are the games that came with it. Sabrina the Teenage Witch, Scooby-Doo. These are the 19 games. Chicken Run, Wipeout. It's quite a lot of stuff here. Just put them there like that for now. We got Driver. Monsters Inc. I've got a pool game. And Mickey's Wild Adventure, Mickey Mouse. And I got the classic Worms. Alright, that's all of the games. Got the memory card right here. Kind of cool, isn't it? It's a third-party memory card. And here it is, guys. The classic PlayStation 1. Look at it there, right there. Got your controllers in there, got your memory card slot 1 and 2. And there you pop it up like that. That is a classic. 1994 released in Japan and 1995 in the US and throughout the rest of Europe. So we're almost at the 25th anniversary, so that's the back. This feels great actually, the weight as well, it just feels perfect. So I'm just going to leave that over there to rest. I think that's everything that we got. You get the controllers, there they are. Everything looks in good nick from what I can see. And there's the other controller, I got two. I got your SCART right there, see? Just like on PlayStation 2. This is the one from PlayStation 1. Looks more or less the same. And the power adapter, power plug. Oops. Sorry, my battery in the phone is getting low. Yeah, that's all of the parts. I guess that's it, guys. That's my review. I wouldn't call it a review, my unboxing video of the PlayStation, the classic PS1 that just came in the mail today, which I'm thrilled with, and thrilled that it came very, 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 very quick, very, very quickly. So I'll be doing, I'll have more videos coming out on Games Mania Doherty. So if you haven't checked out the channel, go ahead and check it out. There'll be console reviews. There'll be, we'll have another part coming out on our PlayStation 1 reviews of collecting PS1 games. If you haven't checked that out already, I'll put links in the description of this video just to show you. And yeah, like I said, we'll have different console reviews, and there's a lot of stuff going on as well at the moment on the channel. So if you want to hit the subscribe button on this channel, give us one of these, a thumbs up. That would do me a massive favor. And until then, guys, keep rocking, keep things rolling, and that's it. All good stuff, and see you soon. Yeah, thank you, guys.